Hi guys, welcome to Step by Step PowerPoint. In this video, you will learn how to create a great cover for your portfolio. Let's start! In first step, go to the tab Designs, Slide Size, and Custom Slide Size and choose the proper size for your cover. And then click on OK. In this video, I choose A4 size for my slide. In second step, go to the tab Insert, Shape, choose Rectangle, and draw a rectangle, rotate them. In Shape format, Shape Add Line, choose Now as Line, and copy off this rectangle and put it in the way that you like. Then select all of them and Ctrl-G, group them. Add your picture to your PowerPoint and then put it in your rectangles. Then cut it. Select your shape again, go to the picture and texture, click on clipboard. Now you see your picture is on your rectangles. Draw a rectangles again in bottom of your slides and add your picture in the way that you learn. Select your rectangles again and duplicate this layer. Put this layer on the last one and go to the gradient and choose this color, stop color, gradient, and change this color. I choose the color from this picture. And then change its transparency. And this is that we want to change the color of background. Right click on your background, format background, go to the gradient and change the color that you have it here. Looking more attractive, I insert a triangle now outline and send it to the back. And now we want to change the color. Choose gradient color, change the stop colors, and now change its transparency. Now it's time for your title. Click on Add Text, put it here, and write the title that you want. And then I change its color to the white. If you want, you can add any effect that you like in your text. Now your cover is ready! I'm sure that with your creativity you can change any things that you want in your portfolio cover. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel and like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot!